Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So, y'all ready for Christmas? Today I'll show you how I made this super cute, inexpensive door decor. I'll have a list of everything you need in the description box below. If you like the video, you find it helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, to begin this video, we're going to go ahead and start off with the blank canvas and Cricut design space. And I'm going to go ahead and use some images from Cricut since I do pay the $10 for the access program. So I'm going to type in Christmas. And I'm just going to scroll down until I find the design that I want to use. Okay, so I found this design that I like, and the keywords to get this is Christmas tree and words to save you guys some scrolling time. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and select it and hit insert images. Now for this project, I only want the words. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up here and ungroup it. Then I'm just going to delete what I don't want. And so I only want joy, peace, and love. So since I can't just delete those words, we're going to go over here and grab a shape. Put it over the word I don't want. Well, let me go ahead and duplicate this square about 3 squares in total. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to select these two, and I'm just going to slice it. Now, when you slice, you can only slice one layer at a time, which is why I separated the words, and I'm doing them separately. So now you see these words are disconnected, and I can just go ahead and delete that because I don't want it. Just move that over. I'm going to go ahead and take the joy, peace, and Christmas. Put my square in front of Christmas. Select the square in the words and go over here and slice it. Then I'll just delete Christmas. So now I have joy and peace, but they're still connected. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same process. And instead of deleting the whole word, I'm just going to delete the extra pieces that I don't need. Okay, cool. So now I have all my words that I want to use. And I'm just going to make sure they're all the same color so they can all cut on one mat. And I want them all to be 7 inches wide. So I'm just going to go up here to the top toolbar and change the width. And I'm leaving this box right here locked so that it auto adjusts for me, okay? So I just changed the width and it auto adjusts and fixes the height. So I'm just going to have a 7 width for all my words. Okay, so now that I have all my words, oops, sorry guys, we can just go over here to make it. And it's on 2 mats, of course, we don't want 2 mats, so if we don't have to have 2 mats, I have a 12 by 24 mat, so I'm just going to change my mat size. And of course, since we're working with heat transfer vinyl, you always want to mirror your design, okay? And I'm just going to move the words around just a little bit because I'm working with scraps. So I have my scraps on my mat in a certain way, and I just want them to line up correctly. Okay, so now that I have my mat and everything looks good, we're just going to go ahead and hit continue and send it to the machine to be cut. So I'm just going to make sure that my vinyl is shiny side down. My setting is on vinyl, and then I'll just go ahead and hit cut. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is separate my hoops, and I'm going to place the part that doesn't have the screw on the bottom. Honestly, I really don't know if it matters for this project, but since I've been doing embroidery, I guess that's just kind of like a habit for me. So I want to use as much of this fabric as possible. I do have 1 yard. So I'm just kind of getting my hoop over to the edge, but I'm leaving a little bit of extra. Then I'm just going to throw my top hoop back on, and then I'm just going to trim around the circle, leaving a little bit of extra fabric. And then I'm just going to repeat the same process for my next couple of hoops. And once I have everything all cut out, I'll just go ahead and unhoop everything. I'm going to weed my vinyl. Then I'll go ahead and lint roll and pre-press my fabric. So without re-hooping anything, I'm just using this as a guide on where to place my letters. And then I'm just going to use my Cricut Easy Press for this project, and I'm just going to use that to adhere my HTV to my fabric. And I am using metallic HTV, which is a cold peel. So once I put my Easy Press on, I'll move it to the side and let it cool completely before I try and peel it off. And once it's cool, I'll go ahead and peel, re-hoop. Now, I got this from Hobby Lobby. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I'm just going to cut off some of the branches and the cranberries. I purchased 3 of these, but you really only need 1 or 2. Once I have my pieces cut, I'll just go ahead and lay them out and hot glue them on. In no particular order, just kind of what looks nice to me. And then I'm just going to add my bow to kind of tie it all together. Y'all, how cute is that, okay? I seriously love that. And then we're just going to go ahead and hot glue the extra fabric to the back of the hoop. Now, the day I filmed this, it was cold outside, but had it been a nice day, I would have spray painted my hoops, and I think that would have made the project pop just a little bit more. But that is my first one, and I'm just going to repeat the same process for my next 2.
And there we are, guys. Here you have it, our super cute and inexpensive door decor. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, see you later.